at the tongkongan where the Tomakula rests. When the Tomakula was alive, she was referred to as Nenek Baran or Grandmother Baran.
Ini saya perkenalkan Pong Minda ini adalah dukun yang bisa membangkitkan orang mati.
Pong Marno introduces Nenek Baran's daughter, Mama Jenny, to the crew and further explains to Mama Jenny why we are here. He requests permission to perform the ritual on her deceased mother. Graciously, she says yes. Even after embalming, I shudder to think how anyone would look like after being dead for 3 months. Queasiness aside, the moment of truth has arrived. It looks like I found the real deal in Pong Minda. I seize this opportunity to find out all I can about this mystifying art.
Tong tiro itu film ni. Jadi yang mati itu lah masih tahu to mata-mata dengan dua min dan tanda tikuna. To si pakaboro na dili na sa dia. Bili mo kami. Dami tiramban delana madomallo nalamale mo kami lalo si tiro bentu to di sama rapumi dio to inam ni putu. Bili mo kami madomallo lamale mi kila ko to inam ni. Jadi aku minta bantuan ni.